Hello, today in this video we will see how to fill form IMM5257e Schedule 1 application for temporary residence. First of all, we will need to download this form. Either you can download this form from my document checklist. In optional documents you will find a link Schedule 1 application for a temporary resident visa made outside Canada IMM5257d, or you can also download this form, for which I will provide a link in the description of this video. Before opening and filling this form, you will also need to download Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. I will also provide a link for downloading this Adobe Acrobat Reader DC in the description of this video. This is the form Schedule 1 application for temporary residence. Let's see how to fill this form. Form number IMM5257B. The principal applicant, his or her spouse or common law partner, if applicable, and all dependent children aged 18 years or older listed in the application for temporary residence must complete their own copy of this form. After filling this form, you will need to validate this form. Indicate whether you are the principal applicant or the spouse, common law partner, or dependent child aged 18 years or older of the principal applicant. So I am the main applicant, so I will check this box. Number 1 question, full name. Here you have to mention your family name as shown on your passport or travel document, and here you need to mention your given name as shown on your passport or travel document. Then number 2, date of birth in year, month and date format. UCI, because we are applying first time, so we do not need to write anything here. Canada places a high value on bringing those who commit acts of genocide, war of crimes, or crimes against humanity to justice. Canada was the first country to incorporate the obligations of the Rome Statute into its national laws. Number 4, military service. Did you serve in any military, militia or civil defense unit, or serve in a security organization or police force, including non-obligatory national service, reserve or volunteer units? My answer is no. If your answer is yes, then you will have to give details. So my answer is no. Number 5, have you ever witnessed or participated in the ill treatment of prisoners or civilians, looting or desecration of religious buildings? My answer is no. If your answer is yes, then you will have to give details. Number 6, membership or association with organizations. Are you or have you ever been a member or associated with any political party or other group or organization which has engaged in advocated violence as a means to achieving a political or religious objective, or which has been associated with criminal activity at any time? Do not use abbreviations. So my answer is no. If your answer is yes, then you will have to give details here. Number 7, government positions. Have you ever held any government positions such as civil servant, judge, police officer, mayor, member of parliament, hospital administrator? Do not use abbreviations. My answer is no. If your answer is yes, then you will have to give details. Number 8, previous travel. Since the age of 18 or during the past 5 years, whichever is more recent, have you traveled to any country or territory other than the country of your citizenship or your current country or territory of residence? My answer is no. If your answer is yes, then you will have to give details. Once you have filled this form, you will need to validate this form. Let's validate this form. Validation complete successfully. Click OK. So this was all about filling this form, Schedule 1 application for temporary residence. Thank you for watching this video.